everybody, I'm on my way inside of this mall. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, shout out to you. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos. No matter what I put out, you're watching. Shout out to you. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, I keep posting. Let me get out the street before they hit me. So, like I said, I'm on my way inside the mall. They still doing the $10 off 3 wick candles. So, one of my stores didn't have one of the candles that I was looking for, so I'm on my way to see if this store have it. And since this is a white-born store, I could actually see, you know, the setup, the new Florissant. So let's head in here and see what we could find. Let's go. Okay, I wanted to just show y'all just a really quick glimpse of the 75% stuff. My store still had a couple of items, but my main focus was the fall candles. I wanted to see the new setup. I was shocked to see these pocket backs because I haven't seen those yet in the sale, so I was shocked to see that. But here is the new fall preview of the candles. So beautiful. Let's check it out, yeah. Absolutely love a lot of these scents that Bath & Body Works has released for the fall season. I do own a lot of these candles already, and as I told y'all before, I'm not going to buy any repackaged candles unless I truly love it. But I absolutely love these matte jars, but you have to be careful because a lot of these matte jars burn really hot, so make sure you trim your wicks. I just love these matte jars. I love the way they look. Wow. Oh, that blue is beautiful. So yes, I did grab a few of these candles, as y'all seen in some of my in my other video as well as this video. But yeah, amazing fall setup or lineup. I just can't wait to burn a lot of these candles again for the fall season. So that was the fall collection that Bath & Body Works has released. This is just the first part of it. I'm sure there's going to be 2 more collections come out later on in the season. Also, I want to give a big shout out to this store, this location. Super friendly sales associates. Shout out to y'all. Yeah, I'm back at home, as y'all do see. I couldn't do the video in the car because for some reason it's so hot. The GoPro is overheating and shutting down, so I just decided to just wait and do it here in the backyard. So I didn't get much. I only got like 3 things. The first thing I decided to grab here is the bag. So the first thing I decided to do is I grabbed another one of these ice dragon fruit tea candles. Yes, decided to grab another one of these because I absolutely love the way it smells on cold. This is my candle of the day, that the candle that I'm burning today. So I'll just come back with my feed on that in another video. As you do know, the scent notes is pink dragon fruit, green tea, and fresh lemonade. Yes. The scent notes is different on the front. On the front versus the actual label on the bottom. On the front, it just has the pink dragon fruit, the green tea, and fresh lemonade. But on the bottom is dragon fruit, green tea, lemonade, and sweet coconut milk. But in my opinion, you really can't smell the coconut. I'm just saying. So I did decide to grab another one of these, plus I did order one online. I got a funny feeling this candle is going to sell really good because I hear a lot of people talking about this candle. So that's the reason why I decided to just go ahead and just grab 2 more, because y'all know everybody's talking about it, which means it will sell out fast. So I decided to get my 3 and I'm gonna be good for a minute. Got that. Spice cardamom. Spice cardamom. And I think cardamom is, to be honest, I don't know what cardamom is. But the scent notes is cinnamon, spice, cardamom, dark cedar wood, and a pinch of nutmeg. So that's what this candle looked like. It is in the core collection along with this one, but this one doesn't have the matte jars like this. This jar is a little shiny, as you see. And this one, I got a feeling this is going to be nice, but this is most definitely a fall candle. Spice is what I get. I kind of like it, but like I said, this will be really good in the fall. Once it starts getting cold, that's when it's time to pull this one out. Right now it's a little too spicy. It is a sweet candle, not like sweet as far as like cake, but sweet for as spice sweet, because of the cinnamon as well as the nutmeg in it. I think I like this, but we shall see. We shall see. I got a feeling it's gonna throw pretty decent. So these were the only 2 candles I got. The store I went to the other day, they didn't have this one. And as I did tell y'all, I'm only buying candles that I do not have. Only new candles only. Unless I absolutely love the candle, another candle that came out and I already have it, that's the only way that I'm gonna buy it. I'm not buying no more repackages unless I love it. Also, the last thing I bought was this tea tree, the new Aromatherapy collection, and I decided to get this body balm, and this is in the tea tree, and the scent's supposed to be tea tree and lavender. As you see, it's 8 ounces, I believe. No, it's not no 8 ounces. No, it ain't that. 2.5 ounce balm. That's what this is. The cap twists off, and as you see, it's, and the bottom twists as well. Also, because I do own this product already, not this particular one, I do have the ones from the water collection. This is the first time I think that this body balm has been released. This is from the water collection. Let me see, where's the label? This is the label on it, and I actually got 3 of them. And as you see, I did use this one. What I can say about these body balms, I absolutely love them. I really love them, and I do think that they work. But the issue I was having with this is when I store it the right way up, it was leaking. So I recommend you store it upside down. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to do that. I don't know. But I do know the one from the water collection, it did that. So I always store it upside down. And like I said, I have a total of 3 of them. Absolutely love this product. This is a really, really nice product. But what I should tell you guys is this isn't a product that you just like rub all over your body. For me, it's not like that, because the texture with this one, I haven't tried this one yet, the texture with this one is a little tacky, a little sticky. So what I would do is, I tried it that way. I tried it putting it all over my arm, all over my legs. Yes, I did it that way, and I was sticky. So what I would recommend doing is using it for like your elbows, if you need extra moisture, like if you have a dry patch somewhere, I would use this, and then I would use a regular lotion on top of this. This is more like a product where you're trying to lock in moisture, and I'm assuming this is the same way. It's like a lock in moisture type of deal. So me personally, how I would use this, I'm gonna twist it up. So I will just put it on my elbow like that. It is most definitely cool feeling, and I think that's just because of the way that it's formulated. It's more of a gel. And then most definitely put the lid back on, and I would just rub it in just like that, and then I will come behind it with my regular lotion. Yes, because it does feel a little tacky, and if you use way too much, you're most definitely going to feel a little sticky. But I'm gonna put a little bit right here so I could see what it smells like. It most definitely feels cool when you first put it on. It feels kind of wet, but it's not wet. I actually like the way it smells. It really smells good. Yes, this tea tree balm is more of a on-the-go balm. Me personally, I'm not gonna pack something like this to take on the go. But for me, it's more of a when I get out the shower, if I know I'm dry in certain areas, you know, like my elbows, this is where this comes in for me. I always make sure I apply it on my elbows to just lock in that moisture, and then I go behind it with my regular lotion. The scent of this is really, really good. It does feel cool when you put it on, and I think it's just because of that whole gel like formula. So yes, it smells really good, and it doesn't smell like your typical tea tree oil where it's very, very strong. That very strong medicine like scent is not that. It do smell like lavender and tea tree oil, but it is not strong, and the scent does not last that long either, at all. So this is nice. I like it. I like it. The price is $16.50. I did see online that it was $18.50, I do believe, but for some reason under the bottom it says $16.50. So I'm not sure why online it's more money. I don't know, but this is the only item that I did get from the new Aromatherapy collection. Now that I smelled this tea tree and lavender one, I might grab a few. I might grab a few because I actually really like the scent of this. And y'all do, as I did show y'all, I am a huge fan of this body balm formula. I really, really like it. And this is from the water collection that they had. When they got rid of the collection, they had a lot of these on 75%. Nobody was buying them. So, you know, I was happy because I was able to get them. So yes, I do have 3 of them. So yeah, I'm happy about that. And now that they released this one, I'm not sure if people going to buy this or not. I know it's been a lot of talk about this body balm. But this isn't a new product. Bath and Body Works has done this before, as y'all see with this. But I think now a lot of people want to try it. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you ever tried the water collection, the body balm that they had with this collection? Let me know this. I absolutely love the way this line smells. I really didn't care for some of the lotions that came out with this water line, but this I really loved. I really love the body wash. This collection, the whole freshness, the way that this collection smelled was amazing. I'm not sure why they got rid of it, because this line was really, really nice. I love the freshness, the scent of this whole collection. So hopefully with this coming out, hopefully they'll consider bringing the water line back. Who knows? But yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, have you smelled this? Have you used the body balms before? Leave that in the comments. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it, y'all, because these are the only things that I bought today in the store. It's just these 3 items, and this is these 2 items was the reason why I actually went, because the first store I went to did not have this candle at all. And I wanted to grab this since it's been so much talk about this body balm. I said I better not wait for no sale or I might miss out. So I just decided to grab one of them at regular price, $16.50. Ugh, I don't even like to spend $16.50 on. I don't like to do regular price too often at all. But I know I love this product. I know I love this body balm. So I had to grab it before it completely sold out. So yeah. So like I said, leave me a comment, thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, follow your girl on Instagram, hit the notification bell. I know I got a lot, but please, please, please do it all. Please help your girl out. We trying to grow over here and over there on Instagram. So I would truly, truly, honestly appreciate it if you subscribe and follow me over on Instagram. And then I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.